Aberdonian. An Aberdonian is a person from Aberdeen, a city in Scotland. It can also describe something related to Aberdeen. My cousin is an Aberdonian. The Aberdonian food was really tasty. Sarah is proud to be an Aberdonian and often talks about her beautiful hometown, Aberdeen. The museum displayed Aberdonian art and traditions that showed the city's long history. Scot, a person from Scotland. Highlander, someone from the Highlands of Scotland. Briton, a person from Britain, which includes Scotland. Other similar words: Scottish, local, citizen. Foreigner, a person from a different country or place. Outsider, someone not from a certain group or area. Visitor, a person who is just passing through or staying temporarily. Other opposite words: stranger, non-local, tourist.